Good afternoon, distinguished participants. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me a time to present my article number 107 on the International Conference on Community Development 2021. My name is Swindarto from Faculty of Information and Technology, Universitas Budi Luhur, with my partner Martini from Economic and Business Faculty, Universitas Budi Luhur. This article I published on the International Conferences and Community Development 2021 is based on the results of community service activities which has been done in Cibogo Village, Kabupaten Tangerang along January 2021. And the activities had been held supported by 10 students from different faculties in Budi Luhur University. So at this time, I would like to thank as well to those students who set and support the program from the beginning until the end of the activities. This community service activities has been held for a month in the early year of 2021 in the specific area of Cibogo Village that is at the RT 11 or neighborhood number 11. These activities at this time take a title Empowering Villagers through the Environmental and Educational Program. Okay, let's begin today's second slide. The community service is one of the higher education three pillars and aim to increase social sensitivity to community problems so as to be able to contribute positively to regional development. And to achieve sustainable urban development, cities must be planned and managed to form balance between human being and natural environment by using resources carefully and transferring them to the next generation. The three components of sustainable urban development cannot be separated from nature, people, and business as well. So they are all stick together and inseparable to solve the environmental issues. The next slide. Well, uh, we talk about profile. This slide is defined where the community service activities took a place. We are choosing Chibugo Village as a spot to implement our community service activities at this time. While the Chibogo village is situated in the south of BSD area, for who still could not met the area, the village is located is next to the Chisau railway station. It is only 2 kilometers far away from district office within the area of 411 hectares, consisting of 7 hamlets or airway and 32 neighborhoods. The neighborhood of RT 11, Airway 05, where the community service took place for a month, consisting of 4,331 families, and the majority of its residents make a living as a private employees to civil servants and some small industrial sectors. Well, next to the um, background, there are three backgrounds we are present on the slide. The first is from Mustafiro, which says that the waste that is not handled properly can disturb environmental cleanliness, causing odors and causing various diseases. The second study is from Kusumaningrum. She says that due to waste disposal activities are endless, causing a large impact of environmental problems, so it is necessary to carry out proper management. And the third study is from Nizar. Waste management in urban areas is sometimes still very poor, such as in terms of land, engineering, and others. Several obstacles or challenges are often encountered, such as relatively low public awareness, the lack of waste collection infrastructure, and etc. There are some problems we found in the area of Chibogo village. Um, in the specific area of neighborhood number 11, we showed the problems at this presentation are how to increase awareness of Chibogo villagers in maintaining the cleanliness of their environment, and what is the main role and relationship between the university, the community, the local government, and the other related agencies, so as to obtain feedback in order to increase the relevance of the higher education three pillars. The objectives of this activity is to find out how to increase the awareness of the villagers in maintaining their environment clean, then to understand the community characteristic on their respective patterns of life, and to improve the direct relationship between university, the local government, and the community itself. From the objectives, we can get the benefits both from the community or for the college. The first, uh, for the community have more insight to maintain their environment cleanliness. Um, the community can gaining support and assistance that can be used to develop the community itself, and acquiring knowledge and new perspective on how the importance of maintaining environment cleanliness. And the last one is improve skills and creativity for the children in Chibogo village. While the benefit for the college are establishing, expanding, and strengthening cooperation between the university and the related agencies. And the second is obtaining the results of student activities by health study and formulate the state or condition of the society that are useful for research development. The method that we've been going through is survey the site to determine the problems, and then planning the programs by improving infrastructure, facilities, and being friendly to the environment and to the waste. The first program, um, by socializing the society on how the importance of keeping their environment clean by disposing of their domestic garbage in its place, and then execute these programs to the community in the form of cleaning the environment together around the neighborhood. The second main program is skill and creativity that is aimed to children around 4 to 11 years old around the neighborhood that been invited to participate the program. It is aimed to hone the children's creativity. And the third program is supporting program, which consists of doing sport together. This activity was carried out to strengthen the brotherhood bonding between its residents. Okay, the result in this case, discussion based on observation and problems formulation, which has been described previously. Several programs can be formulated to solve those problems faced by residents in the neighborhood of RT11 Airway 05 in Chibogo Village as follows. There are three main programs, that is environmental programs. The activities consist of trash bin installation. The objectives of these activities is to remind the residents to dispose their domestic waste in its place to maintain their environmental clean. The target Targets are children, adults, and parents, and the venue took place around the neighborhood of RT 11. The second program is communal work and clean the environment socialization. This activities is aimed to remind the residents to maintain their environmental clean. The target is children, adults, and parents, and it took place around the neighborhood of RJ11. And then supporting programs, the activities consist of two main programs, that is sport and afternoon exercise. The objective is similarly the same, that is to remind the residents to maintain their health by applying healthy lifestyle. The target is teenagers and parents, especially adult women. Yeah. And the venue took place in volley court and badminton court. And the third program is educational program. There are two main activities, that is drawing future dreams and handicrafting. This objective of the activities is to educate the children about the various professions that exist and to increase children's creativity. The target is children and the venue took a place at the classroom. These are some pictures shows the community service development activities in Cibogo village. The first picture on the top center side is installing the trash can in the area of Cibogo village. Beside, we will also educate its resident about the environmental cleanliness and how to manage domestic waste. The second picture on the left-hand side is doing afternoon exercises together, which the target to moms and adult women. And the last picture on the right side shows enthusiasm of the children in Chibogo village participating the educational program. Uh, we are hoping the educational program for the children can improve their skills and creativity. From the community service activities that had been done, we can conclude that community service activities in RT11 Airway 05 Chibuguk Village have been going well, and good responses and good attention from local residents have been received very well. The program itself can improve the facilities and infrastructure that have been carried out, has received a good response from the community because it is very helpful to maintain their environmental cleanliness. The educational program, skills and creativity will also receive a good response from the children who have participated in this program. As well, the community who participated in supporting the program because this program can help the children to hone their skills. By these community service activities, hopefully, the relationship between the university and the community and the local government is growing better. Thank you for paying your attention and have a good day.